Here at minisplitwarehouse.com, we have mini-split systems like this Cooper and Hunter Central ducted hyperheat model, efficient 17.2 SEER 2 energy star system. This central heat pump is rated to negative 22 degrees, includes indoor air handler, thermostat, and condenser. The air handler is true multi-position, upflow, downflow, or side. Outdoor unit is a side discharge compact system. Add a lift gate delivery or do a terminal pickup. Add heat strips and more accessories. See the on-page description for the specifications, AHRI, and brochure. Visit us at minisplitwarehouse.com or call 877-703-548.